This is an exam question about reducing and non-reducing glucose tests. So the question says the solution is thought to contain both sucrose and glucose. So sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Glucose is a reducing sugar. Student carried out a test and confirmed that a small amount of glucose was present in the solution. So they've used Benedict's solution. And that would have turned red or orange. Right, the question says describe, so we need a series of steps, how the student could determine that the solution also contains sucrose. So we're being asked to explain how we test for sucrose. Now, sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Which means we need to break it down. So we hydrolyze. Using dilute acid and heat it. We then need to neutralize using sodium hydrogen carbonate. Right, so that will have reduced, turned it into reducing sugar. So then we add Benedict's and heat. And if glucose is present, it will turn from blue to brick red. So that's that's our test. So how do we know sucrose was present in the original sample then? Because this will go red from the original glucose. So we take a fresh sample, follow all these steps, and if there's more precipitate, so the Benedict's will react with the glucose and turn it into a red precipitate. From the original sample, we'll have got some red precipitate from the glucose. If we've also got sucrose present, we'll now have more precipitate. Or it might have gone orange and green, or green before, and now it's turning red. Or we can put it into a colorimeter and look at absorbance. And more light will be absorbed if there's sucrose present, because we've now got more precipitate. This question is worth 4 marks, so you need 4 of those marking points.